In today's tutorial I will show you how to add music over onto your Instagram post with multiple photos. So open Instagram app. Tap on plus icon at top right corner. Select Reels. Now tap on this icon right here on the very bottom to add some media. I'm going to add some photos. You can choose music by searching for some audio on here. And then from there you could easily now tap on Next. And this is going to allow you to post this Instagram reel onto your feed as a post with 4 different photos as a video presentation with music.